Hey guys, this is Chris. You might know me as Horny, the guitar player from Freakbox. Um, I got this Jackson Kelly, and I've searched all over the internet to try to find a video of how to color a white pickup black because this zebra pickup in here is driving me nuts. So I couldn't find anything, so we're gonna figure out how to color it today, and hopefully it'll turn out halfway decent. Otherwise, I've just totally fucked up the pickup. So stay tuned. I'm gonna move the camera closer, and I'll show you what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so here's the pickup right here. You can see it's zebra. I've already replaced this one with a Damasio PAF. But this one is just, I don't like zebra pickups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Sharpie and I'm going to color it in because online, when I read any blog, it said that if you paint it, it totally screws the pickup up. So I'm going to just try to color the white plastic with a Sharpie because I don't want it shiny either. I want it like a matte finish. So hopefully it works out. Let's try it out. There's no turning back. Once you start this, there's no going back. So hopefully it works out. Of course, that has no ink in it. Nice. Okay, here we go. Like I said, I just want it all black pickup. I didn't have one to put in here. These are the stock Jackson pickups. So as long as it looks halfway decent, that's all I care about. But like I said, there wasn't any videos online where anybody had the balls to even try to do this, so I figured I'd try it today. And it might inspire some of you that are kind of hesitant. And of course, yeah, it would be a lot easier if the strings weren't on here. But I just got this set up, so there's brand new strings on it, so I don't want to take them off. We're just going to do it this way. Then I think what I'm going to do is once this dries, I'm going to go over it again if I can. Go over it as many times as I want just to get it to be black, because I'm sick of looking at this stupid white pickup. For all you zebra pickup lovers, please don't be offended by this. It's just me personally, I just love black pickups. And I think it makes the guitar look a lot better anyways. Plus, these Jackson pickups are just garbage anyways. I don't know. I know you guys probably maybe have had these, but for me, in my Marshall amps, they sound like total crap. Now at least you know, if you have been thinking about doing this, what the results are going to be like, which is what I was interested in myself. Because like I said online, they said don't do it, because it won't look good. That's the only reason. But you know how it is. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So if I think it looks good, that's all I care about. There. So that's the first pass. Now I just got to touch it up a little bit. And good to go. I'm much happier. Like I said, I'm going to wait for this to dry, and then I'm going to go back and make another pass at it. I just wanted to show you guys that anything is possible if you put your mind to it. So, there it is. So, don't be afraid. The only thing to fear is fear itself. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and good luck on your project. Hopefully it works out for you. Okay, so here's the results of it once it's finished. Came out pretty good, right? Okay. Looks good from my house. So it should look good from yours. At least it would look good on stage and in the pictures. And that's the most important part. I was just sick of that white pickup. That's all. So I hope this helps, guys. Don't be afraid. Like I said, all I used is a Sharpie, and that's it. That's the results. Okay, good luck.